Alright, gonna have an online class right now. Just a quick check-in, then I'm gonna go eat my breakfast. I'm gonna return a couple things. Gonna ship it out. I sold my GoPro Medium on, so I gotta ship those out. There's not much for today.
Can I hear you? You can't? It says hello. Okay, let's take that.
Jumping out the whip, shit cold. Watching my step ground froze. Most my days spent alone. Same with my bro, he knows. Gotta pay dues. Walking in mud, you can check my shoes. Tryna bite this, might chip your tooth. Tryna come with you, fake no room. When I made that deal, they should go and pay bills. Time be on my ass, but I pull a stunt like Copperfield. Wanna see Holly's Hills. That bitch got heat for real. Sad looking past the windowsill. I've been thinking about the same shit still. Gonna hit the I-5, it won't be no shock. I've been planning for a while now, no sign tell me stop. One day we gon' climb your top 5, grow it every drop. All night you just wanna get high, next day you forgot. Thought I told you that. This my niche, play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes. This not new to me.
Alright, just drop out the package. Now the second stop. 3 more stops. 2 more stops. 3 stops in total. Every time I come to USPS, I don't even know if I dropped out at the same location, because there's this place, there's this huge bucket with a bunch of mail in there, and it's supposed to be a drop-off, but nobody actually says it's a drop-off. Like, there's no sign on there it says it's drop-off, so I just kind of put it in there until pretty much I got a message says, oh, they scanned my package. That's basically how it works every time now. Alright, next stop. Alright, I don't know if you guys see any difference of me, because I just got this new pair of glasses. Also, so I ordered from 2 different company. Ordered 1 set from Warby Parker. This is their home try-on kit, and this is awesome. I never see any other brand done something like this. I think this is something they just started up. It's like an experimental thing because of COVID. Their glass store is shutting down, so people are getting glasses like this. So you got a set with 5 frames in there. You pick them on their website, they ship it to you for free, and you have to ship it back in 5 days. They give you a shipping label included. So what you really need to do when you ship it back is you just stick them on the box, then just drop it off at USPS, and everything is done there. So I picked one of them within this 5 frame. This is the one I finally decided on. So this is the one I already got. For sure, it has my prescription lens in there, so it is already my pay for it. This one is super cheap. This is like 65 bucks, 50 bucks. You know how much I paid for my old glasses? That one is like $500 plus like everything, like lens and frame. It's like $300 for the frame, $200 for the lenses. This one, it is exact same glass. The glass is only like $15, I think, and the frame is like $50. And this is the other one from Warby Parker. This one doesn't have my frame on there, so I can't actually see myself. So yeah, this is the other one. Which one do you guys think it look good? Look pretty similar, but this one is more boxy, and this one is a little bit rounded. This one looks a little bit like more general, I don't know, like more center. This one looks a little bit rounded. Yeah, this is the one I picked, already ordered, already placed. I have 3 glasses right now. I'm gonna like use them. I'm gonna like switch it around. Next clip. So testing out these new wheels. These are Boosted 105 wheels I just got. Yeah, everything, I'm just gonna test it out, see if it's actually smooth or not. I think I put a bearing in them in the wrong way, so right now I am not really getting super smooth ride. I feel kind of jittery and weird. Alright, yeah, it definitely doesn't feel right.
It's all just chemistry. Lemonade sipping, I was in class trying to get my wishes. Dirt on my plate, so I had to clean dishes. Knew that I'ma do this, I just had that feeling. You ain't gon' live like me. These heights be too frightening. They pity me too trifling. Don't like love, only do the flings. I think she the one, she the one, she the one for me. She the one, she the one, she the one for me. Then I think fuck that bitch. I just wanna fuck, gotta scratch that itch. Only 9.
Oh wow, the brake is bad. It has to take a lot longer than I thought it would be, but yeah, Hey guys, I'm going home now. I actually don't even know where I am right now. Look at the sunsets. Can you see it? Close down. Oh my god, look at that cloud. So cool.
That's that work when you hurt. My head full of steam. I got lucid dreams. I make movie scenes. This not new to me. Greek gon' kill like Scream. Ego my enemy. My heat got entropy. It's all just chemistry. Gon' hit the I-5, it won't be no shock. I've been planning for a while now. No sign tell me stop. One day we gon' climb your top 5. Grow it every drop.
Oh my goodness. All right. So in conclusion, this board, it served me well. Served me really well. I've been using this board for a pretty long time now. Loved it. But I feel like it's time for upgrade. I'm gonna search on eBay, see if I can get a used boosted B2, and I'm gonna sell this one too. So but I heard there is a problem like selling these, like shipping those, because they have like a regulations sort of stuff. So the battery, because of the battery, so I don't feel like it's that much problem, because I got a extended range. Yeah, I'm shipped extended range battery before. I don't know what they're talking about, because it doesn't seem so problem, because I shipped those before. Offer up, I saw my extended range battery. I bought another extended range because I need to take this thing to airplanes and stuff. But yeah, I don't see that's a problem. Yeah, I don't know why they were basically saying it's not working. So
you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes. It's not new to me.